When Alexa says a device is unresponsive, it doesn't necessarily mean your smart device is broken. Let's look at what this message actually means. The core issue is usually a communication breakdown. Think of it like a phone call that gets dropped. Both devices work fine, but they can't talk to each other properly. There are several common causes for this communication breakdown. Let's examine the main culprits one by one. A crucial concept to understand is the skill. This is the connection between Alexa and third-party apps. When skills have problems, it can disrupt device control. As of June 2025, users are still experiencing these issues. For example, Homey smart home system users have reported widespread problems with Alexa integration, showing that skill-related issues remain common. There's hope on the horizon. Alexa 2.0, with its generative AI capabilities, is expected to resolve many of these communication issues, leading to more reliable smart home control. Understanding that device unresponsive usually means a communication problem, not a broken device, is the first step to solving these issues. In the next section, we'll explore how to troubleshoot and fix these problems. When Alexa says a device is unresponsive, start with these basic checks. First, ensure both your Alexa device and smart device are within 30 feet of your Wi-Fi router for optimal signal strength. Next, focus on connectivity issues. Check your Wi-Fi connection and restart both your router and Alexa device. Make sure both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, preferably the 2.4 GHz band, which is more stable for smart home devices. Keep your software up to date. Update the Alexa app on your phone and ensure both your Echo device and smart device have the latest firmware. Outdated software is a common cause of communication issues. Perform app maintenance to resolve software glitches. Clear the Alexa app's cache, force stop and restart the app, or completely uninstall and reinstall it if problems persist. Try device management solutions within the Alexa app. Re-add the problematic device, disable and re-enable the associated skill, or completely remove and re-add the device. For Bluetooth devices, ensure they're connected through a Bluetooth gateway. If all troubleshooting steps fail to resolve the issue, contact Amazon support for personalized assistance. They can provide advanced diagnostics and solutions specific to your device configuration. These systematic troubleshooting steps address the most common causes of Alexa unresponsiveness. Start with basic checks, work through connectivity and software issues, and escalate to support if needed. Most problems can be resolved with these methods.